Hello, welcome everybody to our channel One to Step, where we post tutorial videos. So in our channel we teach you guys how you guys can fix your problem by posting tutorial videos on that topic. All right, so today's video is on how we guys can download Genshin Impact on our mobile. So Genshin Impact is a free-to-play game available for iOS and for Xbox, for your PlayStation, for your PC, but it is not available for Android. So for all you Android user who think by watching this video you can download Genshin Impact on your mobile, I'm sorry, you cannot. There is a way through which you guys can download Genshin Impact even for Android user, but that step includes downloading a third-party app. Through that third-party app you can play Genshin Impact on your Android, but I would not suggest you to do that, because to download that third-party app you need to go to a third-party website, which can also lead to downloading virus and which can affect your phone as well as playing Genshin Impact on an Android could also get your Genshin Impact account getting banned. So I don't want to take that risk, so I'm just not going to teach you that method, because I don't want your account to get banned or your mobile to get virus and you guys just come back over here and complain to me. All right, so I don't want to play with that risk. If you are an Android user, I'm sorry, but if you're an iOS user, you guys can watch the step. And before that, just don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel One to Step. It's actually pretty simple, because you just need to go to your app store, and once you go to your app store, over here where it says search, you want to click on the search icon at the bottom, and it's going to take you to the search section. Over here at the top you just want to write GENSHIN IMPACT. Once you search for Genshin Impact over here, it's going to show Genshin Impact. Once you see Genshin Impact over here, on my screen it says open, but on your screen it's going to say get. Once you click on get, iPhone is going to ask you to verify if you are the owner of the phone. You can do a face verification, or you can type the password of your Apple ID. After you do that, your Genshin Impact will start to download. After a Genshin Impact starts to download, you need to open a Genshin Impact. After opening your Genshin Impact, log in into a Genshin Impact account, and you should be good to go, and you should be able to play Genshin Impact on your iOS phone. So that's how you guys can play Genshin Impact on your phone. So if you guys found our video helpful, then don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on. And if Genshin Impact is released for mobile Android, I'm gonna be showing you guys how you guys can download it over there as well. But if you guys want me to teach you guys how you guys can download Genshin Impact on Android using a third-party app, comment down below. I'll make a video, but the risk is yours that you might be getting virus on your phone as well. So you got to think of that risk as well. So comment down below and I'll make a video on that topic as well. Bye bye everybody. Peace out.